Why is your phone's fingerprint scanner so secure? Imagine unlocking your phone with just a touch, but behind that simple gesture is a complex system designed to keep your data safe. Your phone's fingerprint scanner is one of the most reliable ways to protect your device, and here is why. Every person's fingerprint has a unique pattern of ridges and valleys. The chances of someone else having the same pattern are extremely low, making it a dependable way to identify you. Modern phones use different types of sensors to read your fingerprint. Capacitive sensors detect electrical signals from your ridges and valleys, which makes it hard to fool with a fake print. Ultrasonic sensors send high-frequency sound waves to create a 3D map of your fingerprint, capturing depth and texture even if your finger is wet or dirty. Optical sensors take high-resolution images but are less secure compared to capacitive and ultrasonic types. Your fingerprint data is stored securely inside a special hardware part of your phone called a Trusted Execution Environment or Secure Enclave. This means your fingerprint image or template never leaves this protected area, preventing hackers from stealing it. The data is encrypted and kept separate from the rest of your phone system, so even if your device is compromised, your biometric information stays safe. Fingerprint authentication is integrated with your phone's security system to unlock your device, authorize payments, and access secure apps. It is often combined with PINs or passwords as a backup method. The chance of someone else's fingerprint being accepted is very low, often less than 1 in 50,000. This high accuracy makes it very difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. Phone manufacturers also regularly update their fingerprint scanning technology to improve security and accuracy. These updates help protect against new threats and attempts to spoof the system. Overall, the combination of unique biometric traits, secure hardware, and encryption makes fingerprint scanners one of the safest ways to unlock your phone and protect your private information. They offer a quick, convenient way to secure your device while keeping your data out of reach from prying eyes.